What's up, guys? It's me, Packy, with the house, and today we got an all-new ball and an all-new ball review. It is the Radical Double Cross, which is a urethane ball from Radical. It's the first one that they've ever come out with, and it's going to be something way different than we've seen in the Brunswick line with the purple hammer and with the black hammer. It's going to be weaker than that purple, stronger than that black. I'm bringing both of them down to the Radigan Student Center. I'm going to drill this double cross, match it to a purple hammer. I'm going to throw a game with it, kind of showing you guys the differences between the three bowling balls, where they fit best in my bag, but we got to get to testing at the Radigan Student Center, so let's get to it. Laid the ball out, and then I realized I didn't match my purple hammer, so I went back, traced back the purple hammer. It was 60 by 3 by 30, so I went back on that double cross and I went 60 by 3 by 30. Now I'm going to toss it on the press, drill it, and then take it down the lanes. Hopefully it's like a short or medium pattern out there and I can really test out the versatility of it, but if not, I'll still be able to see how it looks compared to that purple and that black hammer that I brought down with me. So let's put this thing on the press. All right, well guys, here we are at Shocker Sports Grill and Lanes. We have the all-new Radical Double Cross. Matched the layout as the purple hammer. This is going to be my first game with it. I threw some warm-up shots. This is game number 1 with the Radical Double Cross. It seems to be a slight, probably maybe a 2-in-1 weaker than my purple hammer. I can play a little straighter. It's a little smoother down lane. This pattern seems like the perfect urethane pattern, you know, that medium 40 to 38 foot, or 41 to 38 foot, where I can keep it a little more in front of me and not really have to ship it straight towards the gutter. So this is gonna be a perfect test for this ball, and let's see what I can shoot game 1. I'm hoping above 210. So usually they're impossible here in the gutter, it doesn't hook. That's why it's 210 instead of 240. But let's take the lanes and see what I can do. It's close. Yeah, I don't know about that. Couldn't exactly move that 2-in-1. Let's try and go a little bit back left. That's so good. This is senior year too. Senior year too. I mean, like, am I a sniper with my purple hammer? Yeah, I am. All right. A little left, a little further left. That's it. Just sounded like it broke a couple pins. Do I have to re-rack it twice when I strike or no? It's a really good shot. We are through 4 frames with my radical double cross. The first 2, I was a little too deep, then a little too straight. I found that in-between zone. I don't have to hit it as hard. It doesn't have that kind of around the corner pop that my purple hammer does when I'm crossing 17 at the arrows, which is pretty normal for a urethane ball not to have that like pop in the back end when I'm hooking the entire lane. So like I thought kind of in the beginning of the video, it's gonna be in between that purple hammer and the black hammer, but way closer to the purple hammer than I thought. I thought it was gonna be like that hard and straight motion where I could keep it in front of me and trap it more like that black hammer, but with this like pearl urethane cover stock, it definitely has a little more mid lane and down lane snap, so I can move into that 3rd arrow range and a little left of that, whereas with my black hammer I really can't. So let's 4 more frames. I'll see you guys in frame 8, and right now we got spare double, so hopefully more strikes to come. Little in. Yeah, baby. Got him. Hit so hard the lights turned off. Little in. Yeah, baby. Did someone say crunch? Hook. It's got a little extra hook when I miss left. All right, same. Let's just not throw it so far left and pray that it hits the pocket. Oh, that's so far right though. Nothing like talking yourself into missing right. Another good shot. It's way better. It's like it's easier to strike when you hit your target. Figuring that out now. We are through 8 frames, 166 in the 7th with a strike in the 8th. This ball is looking way better than I thought after the first 2 shots. First 2 shots, I was like, oh God, it's just not a purple hammer and it's trying to be, but in reality, it's not trying to be a purple hammer. It's a little further left. I can move my feet 3 or 4 left of where I am with that purple hammer. Still get a similar motion, just less of it. The purple hammer for me is like a move right, throw it slow, and hook it around the lane. The black hammer is like a stand left and throw it up the lane and in front of you. And this radical double cross is the perfect in between. It's that like move a little to the right off my black hammer when it stops hitting, and I can still get this one around the corner. We got 2 frames left. If I strike out, it's 250. I'm hoping, once again, I said I hope for more than 210. Looks like we're already there, so let's get some more strikes and hopefully get to 250. That's just a good shot and a good result. Frame 10. Oh, I just hit that one so hard. Whatever. All right, so 2 not so great shots in the 10th. You saw me 231 that game, which is way more than I expected. I expected hopefully anything above 210. A clean 231, no splits. Was really able to control the pocket with this ball, which is really what I look for in a urethane ball. I use them when they're super hard, or when they're short. So when they're super hard, I can control the pocket with those smooth, controllable shapes, and when they're short, I can get it to tame down and hook early enough before the end of the pattern. So this ball is exactly where I wanted it to fit. So now that we're done with that game, let's show you the difference between that purple hammer, that double cross, and that black hammer that I brought today. Let's show how different they hook on the lane, where they hook, and where I can stand and strike with all three of them. Well, that was my Radical Bowling Technologies double cross you saw from the black hammer. Super smooth, controllable. The double cross was probably, 5 right with my feet, and it definitely made a little stronger motion in the middle and down lane. And then the purple hammer was probably another 3, 4, or even 5 after that double cross. So those were the 3 urethanes. My double cross was clearly that perfect in-between piece, and it definitely earns a spot in the bag and earns a spot in the tournament bag specifically for me to bring it as another urethane option. I hope you guys enjoyed the review. You know what to do. Smash that like button down below if you want more bowling ball reviews and more videos like this one. So I'll see you guys on the next one, and until then, peace.